The truth about celebrity skincare secrets. Debunking popular myths. 1. Many people believe that expensive products are the key to perfect skin. But celebrities use products based on their skin type, not their price tag. 2. Another myth is that celebrities get professional facials and treatments, but many of them rely on simple, at-home skincare routines and products. 3. Some believe that celebrities rely heavily on makeup to achieve perfect skin, but most focus on having a thorough skincare routine and use makeup to enhance their features. 4. Quality skincare products are more important than expensive ones, and the key is to find products that work for your skin type. 5. A good skincare routine consists of cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen, as well as eating a balanced diet and drinking lots of water. 6. Many celebrities use drugstore products and natural remedies in their skincare routines. 7. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare, and sticking to a routine will yield better results over time. 8. It's important to know your skin type and to avoid products that contain harsh ingredients that can irritate the skin. 9. Celebrities often have access to different treatments and products that the average person does not, but that doesn't mean they are necessary for achieving healthy, glowing skin. 10. The real secret to celebrity skincare is having a simple, consistent routine that works for your skin type, eating well, and staying hydrated. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.